Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and let's look at what the market has to offer today. Before we go to the chart, let's first check fundamentals and know what is ahead of us today. Okay, and looking at today, BRICS Summit is also in session, so the market is going to be something else. All we need to do is to exercise patience, okay? And we have service PMI, flash PMI, and manufacturing PMI at 1:45 Ghana time. And also we have new home sales at 2 p.m. And looking at the fundamentals, previous for the flash manufacturing PMI, previous was 49.0, and we are expecting 48.9, which is negative. And with the flash service PMI, previous was 52.3, and we are expecting 52.1, which is also negative. So if it happens to be negative as expected, then it means gold still has potentials to fly. And due to the BRICS Summit, if they conclude and they releases that new currency, a lot of people are going to stop using USD. They will stop investing in USD and they will switch to gold. And as a result, gold will keep flying. All right. So let's go back to the chart. First of all, let me take you to monthly time frame. Early this month, I said something. So let's go and look at it. If you guys could remember, I made you understood that due to the closure of last month's candle, okay, last month's candle closed above the June's candle, okay, so this month is just a pullback for price to continue on pushing up. But if you look at it very well, price has gone beyond the opening of the previous candle. Okay, now look at where price is trading now. So if price closed below this candle, then it means that the closure of July's candle was a fake out. Okay, was a fake out, and price still wants to go down to somewhere 1827, 1830 level. All right, yeah. So that is what I see. Back to weekly. And looking at weekly, as you can see, yeah, price reached this height and there was a strong rejection. It's pushing price up. So let's see if price managed to close above this zone right here, then it means that price still wants to keep flying. Okay, so if this thing happens, then it means you should expect something like this. Then price will keep pushing up. All right, yeah, so we just have to sit back and wait. Okay, let's go to daily. We are more interested in daily time frame. So looking at daily time frame, this is what is happening right now. And as you can see, I made you guys understood, I think on Sunday when I was doing the analysis, that due to the doji candle right here, the Friday's candle which closed doji, price has potentials to go up and up and up, and that's what we are experiencing right now. So on daily time frame, this is what we should expect. And recently price has gotten into the zone on daily. Okay, so let's watch and see what will happen, and if we get a confirmation for a sell, then we can push price back somewhere, something like this. Maybe we can look for a buy to break this level and go to the next level. All right, that is what I see. So let's go to H4. Looking at H4, can see a nice downtrend, and now this was a high, a low, a high, a low, and now there has been a break of structure. Okay, price has broken this low and has created a high, and came for a low, a high, a low, and a high. So on H4 we should expect something like this, a new low, then price go and create a new high to this level and possibly to this level. Okay, that is what I'm saying. So let's sit back and wait and see if it's going to happen as we are seeing, or it's going to do something else. All right, what is H1 saying? So looking at H1, it's actually a mess. H1 is actually a mess, I swear. Well, we will still see something. So as you can see, H1 has gotten into this zone right here. Okay, look at it. Now the rejection came, now has gotten there again. So let's wait and see if you can get a rejection back to 1901, 19567, then a rejection to back to 1901. Then we can look for another buy again. Or if you want to break all the way and come to 1897-96 level, you can buy from there as well. Okay, so what we need to do now is to sit back, wait. Today we are not going to give a single dollar back to the market. Okay, so we need patience. If you don't get any setup today, it's better than to enter and lose. Okay, so just sit back, sit on your hands. If you can't stay away from the market, put your hands on your desk or on your chair and sit on it. Don't tap any button yet until we see some clear signals. Then we can go in and make some money. All right, so what is 15 minutes saying? Like some way. So let's still wait, okay, for this zone price to push into the zone, and let's say we can see a drop back to this level, then a push again. Yeah, so guys, this is what I see, and let's just wait for the market to present opportunities, then we can go in and take some money from the market. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Just make sure you manage your risk. I always talk about this because no matter how good you are in technical analysis, no matter how good you are in psychology, if your risk management is poor, you still lose money. Okay, so manage your risk far properly and make sure every single trade you enter, you know how much you stand to lose even before you enter into the market. So guys, until then, I'll see you when I will see you, and have a good day.